Hi, today I will show you how to draw these five fruit inspired mandala grids that I use in this refreshing artwork. Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Mandala. Grid 1 is inspired by sliced oranges. To add the small lines, we need to use drawing pen with smaller point like point 1. For the artwork, I use 6 by 6 watercolor paper that I cut myself. Sharpie pen for the shading and drawing pens point 1, 2, 4, and 8. This is how you incorporate grid 1 in your work. Grid number 2 is inspired by pineapple. We use that details to mimic the eyes around it. Here is how you incorporate grid 2 in your mandala. Here is grid number 3, inspired by our favorite summer fruit, watermelon. You just need to enjoy copying the design of its skin into your work. I would always start with the lines and then finish the design with the shaded part. Read number 4 is a bit complicated. It's inspired by sliced kiwi. You need to interchange using drawing pen number 1 and 2 for the smaller details. Breed number 5 is inspired by another delicious fruit, avocado. You just have to copy the shape of the avocado inside the breed or leaf of your mandala. There you go! Here is our output in using 5 fruity mandala breeds. As you can see, I just added a leaf pattern next to the avocado for more details. I hope you like it! If you do, please hit the like button below and watch out for my next videos. And you may also follow me on Instagram at Pinoy Mandala. Salamat!